So in this video lecture we are going to see the next chemical properties of hydrocarbons, that is alkanes. Okay, तो हमने पिछले वीडियो लेक्चर में देखा था दोस्तों हेलोजनेशन ऑफ अल्केन्स. ठीक है, नाउ इन दिस लेक्चर वी विल स्टडी नेक्स्ट केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ व्हाट अल्केन्स. उसमें सेकंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी दैट इज व्हाट कंबशन ऑफ अल्केन्स. व्हाट combustion of alkanes. Now you know the meaning of what combustion. Combustion means what? The process in which alkanes react with oxygen or burn in air or react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. That process is called what? Combustion. Okay, so write down the definition first. Alkanes on heating, the process in which alkanes burns on reacting with air or dioxygen, that is O2. To form carbon dioxide and water, carbon dioxide that is CO2 and water that is H2O is called combustion of alkanes. Okay, यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हो with water and with evolution of heat, with evolution of large amount of heat. Okay, with evolution of large amount of heat. So the process in which these alkanes they react or burn with air or react with dioxygen and forms carbon dioxide and water with evolution of large amount of heat, that process is called combustion of alkanes. Okay, so this process you can say that involves evolution of large amount of heat. Process is exothermic. As it involves evolution of large amount of heat. Now there are two types of process with respect to heat evolution or absorption is concerned. When there is a absorption of heat, the process in which there is a absorption of heat is called endothermic process, and the process in which heat is released, heat is given out, or there is a evolution of large amount of heat, that process is called exothermic process. Okay, so this combustion of alkanes is which process? Exothermic process, as it involves evolution of large amount of heat. Okay, so note down these points first. Combustion of alkanes. Hence these alkanes they behave as a good fuels. Write down the alkanes, that is why alkanes are good fuels. Okay, because they involve evolution of large amount of heat, that's why they are good fuels. Okay, so you know that the petrols they contains hydrocarbons. Okay, remember that petroleum products, petroleum compounds, they contains mixture of hydrocarbons. Okay, because on combustion they produce large amount of heat. Okay, so that's why these alkanes can be act as a good fuels. Okay, so this is what about the introduction of combustion. Now we see the chemical equation of this combustion of alkanes. Okay, very simple. Write down the chemical reactions now. Now how these alkanes react, and with air or oxygen, you can say air mostly contains oxygen also. Okay, so that oxygen actually react with hydrocarbons and producing carbon dioxide as well as water with evolution of large amount of heat. Okay, so we'll see now the chemical reactions. Now which chemical reactions takes place, that we'll see. See here, I am writing general reaction. This is general formula of alkanes. CnH2n plus 2, that is alkanes. They react with 3n plus 1 by 2, 3n plus 1 by 2 O2, that is oxygen. Okay, so alkanes on reacting with air or oxygen, they produce NCO2 plus n plus 1 H2O. NCO2 plus n plus 1 H2O plus heat is released in this process. Okay, heat is released in this process. Now this is the general reaction, you can say. Now I will take examples. Okay, take examples. First I will take now CH4. We will balance this reaction plus O2. Now we know that first 4 alkanes, they are in gaseous state, so they react with oxygen, hydrocarbons, alkanes. This is a methane. It react with oxygen to produce CO2 and water. Water is in liquid state, carbon dioxide is in gaseous state, and certain heat is released. Okay, now heat release actually here is, now we'll balance first the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay, so look at the hydrogen first. There are 2 hydrogens on the right side, on the left side there are 4 hydrogens, so I will multiply it by 2. Okay, so 2 oxygen and these 2 oxygen, 4 oxygen are there, so I will multiply it by 2. Okay, now see the general equation. CnH2n plus 2, यहाँ पे Cn, n की वैल्यू क्या है 1, so C1H2 into 1 plus 2, that is CH4, plus 3 into 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 plus 1 4 by 2, 2O2, it is giving 1. यहाँ पे n की वैल्यू 1 है तो 1 CO2 और n की वैल्यू 1 है 1 plus 1 2 H2O plus heat. Okay, so now heat I will write in place of heat here how much amount of heat released actually, that I am writing here. Now see, you can write here delta HC0 is equal to 890 किलोजूल पर मोल. ओके, तो इतनी हीट रिलीज होती है दोस्तों. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड स्टैंडर्ड हीट ऑफ कंबशन, चेंज इन स्टैंडर्ड हीट ऑफ कंबशन. ओके, सो रिएक्टेंट की जितनी एनर्जी होगी अब उससे उतनी ही कम होगी, इतनी कम होगी. ओके, जितनी रिएक्टेंट पोजेस करते थे एनर्जी, सपोज x अमाउंट, तो उनकी एनर्जी कितनी होगी x प्लस 890 किलोजूल पर मोल. जब वो रिएक्ट होंगे तो वो एनर्जी रिलीज करेंगे माइनस 890 किलोजूल पर मोल, तो x रहेगी अब प्रोडक्ट की एनर्जी. ठीक है, so this much amount of energy is released actually during this process or reaction. Okay, note down this reaction. We'll take next reaction after that. For propane or butane, you can take you can take reaction for now butane. Okay, so take next reaction, second reaction for butane. Now the reaction theme is same. This butane will react with oxygen, that is air or oxygen, and it is giving carbon dioxide and water. So I am taking the second example, that is butane C4H10 plus O2. Okay, we'll balance this equation and it is giving us CO2 plus water. Okay, now balance the hydrogen atom first. 10 hydrogens are there, so here 5 you have to take stoichiometric coefficient. Now check the oxygen atoms. 2 plus 5 7. Okay, so here I am taking 7/2 O2. 7/2 O2 or 3.5 O2 you can take. सॉरी, यहाँ पे देखो, अब हाइड्रोजन हमने बैलेंस किए, ऑक्सीजन भी हम बैलेंस कर रहे हैं. पहले हम क्या करेंगे, कार्बन पहले बैलेंस करेंगे. ठीक है, राइट. फर्स्ट कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन विल बैलेंस. Here on the left side there are 4 carbon, so I have to multiply here by 4. Okay, hydrogens are 10, carbon then hydrogen 5 into 2. पहले कार्बन को बैलेंस किया मैंने, फिर हाइड्रोजन को बैलेंस किया. अब ऑक्सीजन देखो, 4 into 2 8, 8 plus 5 13. Okay, so I will take here 13/2 O2. 13/2 means here 6.5. 6.5 into 2, that is 13. Okay, so the left hand side and right hand side should be equal. C4H10 plus 13/2 O2, it is giving 4 CO2 plus 5 H2O. Okay, so it is also gaseous state. Oxygen is also in gaseous state, carbon dioxide gaseous and water liquid. Now you must know how much amount of energy is released here. This much amount of energy is released here, that is delta H0C, standard heat of combustion. Okay, you can write here is equal to minus 2875.84 kilojoule per mole. So note down this reaction also. Okay, so friends, in this way you can do reaction of any alkane with oxygen. It will generally give what? Carbon dioxide and water, and this process with evolution of large amount of it, that process is called combustion of alkanes. Okay, hope you understood this process. Now we'll move to the next chemical property of hydrocarbons, that is alkanes. Here specifically alkanes we are looking at.